Want to make an important message stick out at the top of your Viber chat so everyone can see it instantly? Learn how to pin a message and keep key information easily accessible. Pinning a message on Viber elevates it to the top of the chat screen, making it visible to all participants without having to scroll through the conversation history. This is incredibly useful for important announcements, meeting details, shared links, or anything you want everyone in the chat to see immediately. So, what you want to do is, in the chat where you want to pin a message, you need to first send a normal message. Then, you need to tap and hold on the message till an options menu pops up. In that menu, near the bottom, there should be an option labeled Pin. Tap on it. In the confirmation prompt, tap on Pin again. And just like that, you'll have pinned a message to the top. Do note that you can only pin one message in a chat at a time. If you try pinning another message, it will simply replace the one that's already pinned. But that's more or less it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!